So let us begin relation in mathematics. Relation is nothing but subset of a Cartesian product. You know Cartesian product of two sets. From that Cartesian product we find relation or we establish relation. For example, if A is a set contains 1 and 4, B is a set contains 2, 4, 5, then you know how to write the Cartesian product. Cartesian product is pairing the element one from set A, another from set B. So A, Cartesian product of A and B is 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 4, 2, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, then your 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 5. So this is the set of order pairs taking first element from set A and second element from set B. Now if we define the elements of set A as X and element of set B as Y, then we can define a relation X is equal to Y. We can define X greater than Y. We can define X less than Y. It depends on how we are defining the relation. Now, how to write it? Now, I am defining as R1, relation 1. This is, what is the meaning of this? This is set of order pairs. This is order pairs. Order means first element will be from set A and second element will be from set B. This is order pairs. X belongs to A. X is an element of A and Y is an element of B. And the relation is X is equal to Y. So this is the condition. We are selecting the order pairs under certain conditions. Now here the order pairs, only if we'll see all the order pairs where X is equal to first element is equal to second element, first equal to second elements, only your 4, 4 satisfy this condition. So 4, 4 will come under this relation. How we connect relation in mathematics. So here I'll write R1 relation is equal to set of all order pairs. What is order pair here? Only one order pair is there. Only one order pair which is satisfying the equation. Now we write the relation within a curly bracket and the order pair with a common bracket. So here we got the relation is all x comma y, x belongs to A, y belongs to B and x is equal to y is called set builder form. A relation can be written as set builder form and a roster form. Roster form is writing each element. So I wrote order pairs 4, 4. So 4R is equal to curly bracket, 4, 4 is roster form. This is roster form of the relation and writing in general form that x is equal to y and x belongs to A, y belongs to B, it is your set builder form. Now I am defining another relation R2 where x is less than y. When x is less than y, first element is less than y. So which order pair satisfy this condition? First element is less than second element. Here 1, 2 satisfy, 1, 4 satisfy, 1, 5 satisfy, 4, 2 does not satisfy, 4, 4 does not satisfy, again 4, 5 satisfy. So if I want to write R2 in the roster form will be 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 4, 5. And in set builder form, it will be all order pairs x comma y, where x belongs to A, y belongs to B, but the condition is x less than y. So let us write. So this is your set builder form. It is all order pairs of x comma y. See the bracket. X is an element of A, Y is an element of B, and the condition. First, last you will mention the condition. X is less than Y. There we mentioned X is equal to Y. Here X is less than Y. And if I want to write in the roster form, it will be individual order pair will be mentioned. 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 5, 4, 5. Now again I am taking another relation. Now we'll define a relation R3 where 3x is greater than y. That means first element is greater than your y. So what are the elements? Does it satisfy? No. Does it satisfy? No. Does it satisfy? No. This satisfy. Does this satisfy? No. This is no. So R3 contains only one element, that is equal to 4, 2. This is your roster form. And in set builder form, I'll write how much it will be. X belongs to A, Y belongs to B, X is greater than Y. And this is your roster form. This is a roster form, and above one is your set builder form. Now, can you think of some more relations? I have taken greater than, equal to, X is equal to Y, X is greater than Y, X is less than Y. Can you think of some more relation? Yes, we can think of. We can write Y is equal to X plus 1. We can write X is equal to Y minus 2, something. So there is so many relations can be defined from a set of order pairs or Cartesian product. So definition of a relation R from a non-empty set to a non-empty set B is a subset of the Cartesian product. Now we are coming to formal definition of a relation. The subset is derived by describing a relationship between the first element and the second element of the order pairs in the Cartesian product, and the second element is called the image of the first element. Domain of the relation. The set of all first elements of the order pairs in a relation R from a set A to set B is called domain of the relation. Range of the relation. The set of all second elements in a relation from a set A to set B is called the range of the relation. The whole set B is called the codomain of the relation. Note that range is a subset of codomain. So codomain of a relation is the whole set B is called codomain. Again, I repeat because sometimes we have the confusion what is range and a codomain. Range is always a subset of codomain. Sometimes it is equal to the codomain. Sometimes it is subset of the codomain. Let us take the example, then you will understand better. So I have taken the same example. We have made the relations here. If we see your relation R1, here if I say domain, domain of the relation is only first element, that is what? Only 4. What is the range? Range of the element is also 4. Here if you see, the range is subset of codomain. What is codomain? Codomain is nothing but your set B. Set B, second set is always codomain. This is your codomain. If all the elements of codomain comes in the order pairs, then the range is equal to codomain. If they do not come, then it is a subset. Now come to relation 2. Relation 2, domain is all the element domain is equal to what? 1, 1, 4. So it is only 1, comma 4. So this is the set of X. Domain is set of X. And what is range? Range is set of Y. What is Y here? Y is 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. So now you observe that here range is equal to 2, 4, 5 and codomain is also 2, 4, 5. So here range is exactly equal to the codomain. So range sometimes it is equal to codomain, sometimes is a subset of codomain. Now coming to R3. R3, what is domain? Now I hope you can say domain is only 4 and range is only 2. So here range is subset of codomain. So when it is not asked, you need not write anything, whether it is a subset or not. Question is, if the question is what is codomain, codomain is always B. For any part, codomain is equal to set of B. So representation of relation. Represent a relation may be represented. You saw that maybe either by roster form or by set builder form. Similarly, an arrow diagram is also visual presentation of a relation. For example, here we have your 1, 4 in A and it was 2, 4, 5. So I got the relation 1 is related to 2 and 4 is related to 5. Then here this is a ray diagram of this. 1 is also related to 4. First I am taking 1 is related to 5. That means this is the relation x is less than y. When x is less than y, this ray diagram will come under this condition or this relation. Now there is another important concept. If A has m number of elements, B has n number of elements, then Cartesian product A and B has m into n number of order pairs. Now, if it has m into n number of order pairs, then the number of relations will be 2 to the power m multiplies n. So number of relation possible from set A to set B is 2 to the power mn. Isn't a very big number? So these are the concept of the relation. Then we'll go to some exercise questions. First question. First question is, before question I'm going to a very important example. What is it? A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have defined a relation x, y is equal to x plus 1. Now draw this using a arrow diagram and write down the domain, codomain and range. So first we are writing the relation. The relation will be what? Now it is your x, comma y. So instead of x, y will write x plus 1. So first element I am taking your 1 because it is starting from 1. So if it is 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So first order pair will be 2. Next, if it is 2, second will be 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then it is 3, then it will be 4. Next it will be 4, it will be 5. Next it will be 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So this many order pair will be come under this relation. Now to draw the row diagram. arrow diagram. Arrow diagram is this. 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3, 3 is related to 4, 4 is related to 5, 5 is related to 6. You have to put an arrow. Now we'll write domain, codomain and range. What will the domain? Domain will be all the x, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will the range? Range will be 2, 4, 3, 5, 6. So right, we see that domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the range means second element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, you will put in a curly bracket. And codomain is the whole set from where it is defined, because we are defining a relation from A to A. So second set is again A. So that will be your codomain. Codomain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Question number 1, exercise question number 1. A is defined from A to A. Defined from A to A. That means first element is also A, second set is also A. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. There is numbers are not there, but it will take that they are all 14 numbers are there. So when you will write A cross A, so how many order pairs you will get? You will get 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, up to how much? Up to 114. Then you will start from 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, up to 214. And what will the last? Last will be 14 into 14. So it will be 196. 14 into 14, 196 order pairs will be there. But we won't write all the things. It's not possible for us. We'll write only which is satisfying this relation. What is the relation? Relation is we will write all order pairs which will satisfy 3x minus y is equal to 0. Or I'll consider this as y is equal to 3x. R is equal to all order pairs such that y is equal to 3 times of x. So first I'll start from 1 by 1. I'm taking x is equal to 1. Then y will be 3 times of 1, 3. Then if x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, then I'm getting y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 2, I'm getting y is equal to 6. If x is equal to 3, I'm getting y is equal to 9. If x is equal to 4, I'm getting y is equal to 12. If x is equal to 5, I'm getting y is equal to 15. Is it possible to get 15? Because the numbers are up to 14 only. So I'll get only these order pairs. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. This many order pairs will be under the relation, and this is your in roster form. We wrote in roster form. After writing roster form, it is easy for us to find domain and codomain. So now I'll write domain. Domain is equal to what? Domain is equal to first elements. What are the first elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the range? Range is your second elements. What are the second elements? 3, 6, 9, 12. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So range finished. Then about codomain. Codomain we have already discussed. Codomain is the second set. Here second set is again A. So codomain is A. So this is the answer of this question. Question number 2. Define a relation R on the set of natural number n such that y is equal to x plus 5. Y is equal to x plus 5. This is your relation. But the condition is x is a natural number less than 4 and xy belongs to natural number. So what I am writing again the syntax. A relation is defined from n to n. First, natural numbers to natural number. But x is a natural number but less than 4. Less than 4. So this relation contains all order pairs such that y is equal to x plus 5, x belongs to n, but x is less than 4 and y belongs to n. So x is less than 4 means what is it? Natural number 1, 2, 3. So we'll put only x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, not more than that. Then if x is equal to 1, y is equal to how much? 1 plus 5, 6. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to how much? This is the relation. You'll see always this line. So 2 plus 5 it will be 7 and it will be 3 plus 5, 8. So I'm writing the relation in roster form now. First is your 1, 6, 2, 7, then 3, 8. Is there any other order pairs? No. So next to domain, I hope you can write yourself now. Domain is equal to 1, 2, 3. The value of x, range is equal to value of y, second element. So 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So what is the codomain? Codomain is second set. What is second set? Second set is natural number because it defined on natural number to natural number. Codomain is natural number. Question number 3. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. B is equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B such that R is equal to x, y such that difference of x minus y is odd number. X belongs to A, y belongs to B. So you have to think of the number. X minus y is a odd number. So first start from 1. 1 minus what will be an odd number? Yes, 1 minus 4 is an odd number. So first pair is 1, 4. 1 minus 6 is also an odd number, 5. And 1 minus 9? No. So for 1, I am getting only 1, 4 and 1, 6. Next come to 2. 2, 4. Is it odd? No. 2, 6. Is it odd? No. 2, 9. 2, 9 is a odd number. Next is 3. 3, 4 odd. 3 minus 4 is a odd number. Minus 4, minus 1. 3, 6 is a odd number. 3, 9 is not a odd number. Next your 5. 5, 4 odd number. 5, 6 is also odd number. 5 minus 9 is not odd number. So these are the relation in roster form. So what is domain? Domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. What is range? Range is equal to all second elements 4, 6, 9. Now what is codomain? Codomain, as I told, it is set B only. Codomain is B. Question number 4. Figure 2.C shows a relationship between set P and Q. Ray diagram. 5 is related to 3, 6 is related to 4, 7 is related to 5. Write this in set builder form, roster form, and domain and range. So I'm writing fast. I'll write all roster form. Then it is easy for me to find out. 5 relation 3, then 6 relation 4, 7 relation 5. Now you connect these two elements by a relation. Try to connect. Is it smaller than? It is greater than? If the difference is there, how much? Is it constant? Yes, 5 minus 3 is 2, 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So I'm getting a relation. What is it? I'm getting this is all order pairs. Are you thinking? Here it is a set of all order pairs where y is equal to x minus 2. Are you convinced? 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 7 minus 5, 2. So y second element is first elements minus 2. X belongs to P and y belongs to Q. So this is your set builder form. Next coming to domain. I hope now you can write domain yourself. Domain is equal to 5, 6, 7 first elements. These are your domain. This will be your range. So range will be 3, 4, 5. And what is codomain? If it is asked, it is not asked. If it is asked, codomain is set Q. Question number 5. A contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, not 5. A relation on A is defined by on A means it is from A to A. That means first set is also A, second set is also A. Defined by the relation is all AB, where AB belongs to A. B is, second element is exactly divisible by B. So I'll write in the roster form, because the question is write in roster form, find domain, find range. So for roster form, I'll start from A is 1. A is 1. So which is divisible by 1? 1 is divisible by 1. Next, what is divisible by 1? Of this, all are divisible by 1. So 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Next, I'll come to 2. 2 is divisible 2. 2, 4 is divisible by 2. 6 is divisible by 2. So with 2, I got this 3. Next for 3. 6 is divisible by 3. Next, 3 is also divisible by 3. 4 is divisible by only 4. And 6 is divisible by only 6. So this is the relation in roster form. Now you can write domain. Domain is all the first element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What is the range? See the second element, what I am getting? I am getting 1, 2, 3, 4. I am getting, it's not 5, 1, 5 is not there, sorry. It's not there, 5, 1, 6. So range is also 6. So Answer. Determine the domain and range of the relation R is defined by R is equal to x plus 5, x belongs to this. I hope you can write yourself. Pause the video, try to write yourself. So x will be started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just in place of y, you write it will be x plus 5. Y is equal to x plus 5. So if it is 0, then it will be 5. If it is 1, then it will be 0, it is 5. If it is 1, that will be 6. If it is 2, that will be 7. If it will be 3, it will be 8. If it is 4, then it will be 9. If it is 5, then it will be 10. So this is your R in roster form. So there is, it is not given what is second set or first set. So no need of writing. Whatever x will be there, we'll put all the values and you will write related, find related y. Now what is the domain? Domain is same as your x. It will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What will be range? Range will be all the second elements. So it will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finished. Question number 7. Write a relation x is equal to x cube. So R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x cube. Y is equal to x cube. That's why it is written x comma x cube. X comma x cube means y is equal to x cube. X is a prime number. X is prime less than 10. So you have to think of what are the prime numbers less than 10. Is 1 a prime? No. 2, 3, 5, 7. So this is your x. Then what is their cube? You can get it. So y will be how much? 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 5 cube 125, 7 cube 343. So roster form will be 2, 8, 3, 27, then 5, 125, then your 7, 343. Question number 8. A is equal to x plus xyz, b is equal to 1, 2. Find the number of relation between a and a to b. So number of element in A is 3. Number of element in B is equal to 2. So number of element in A order pair will be 3 multiplies 2, it will be 6. Then number of relation will be, number of relations is 2 to the power 6. How much is 2 to the power 6? It will be 64. Answer. Question number 9. Let R be the relation defined on Z. Z is integers. Z is integers. The relation is AB. AB belongs to Z. All are integers. A minus B is an integer. A minus B is an integer. Find the domain and range. So here in this question, you can't write in roster form because so many integers will be there. We have to write domain and the range in terms of integer, positive or negative. So A minus B, R is equal to A, B, where A is an integer, B is an also integer. The A minus B is an integer. So this is a very simple question. What will we come under this? If I'll take the integer, all will come. So I'll write the domain is integer because x can be any value, y also can be any value because any integer minus another integer is always an integer. So domain is integer, range is also integer. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Practice some other questions from different book, exemplars, problem, R.S. Agrawal books. Like and share the video. Thank you.